onto another stream where I hopefully develop Tempus Chronicle, but I don't know. Things have been a bit what's the word? Iffy lately. Just received some, well, not just, but in the period between the last stream and this one, I received some bad news with regards to my family. And it has thrown me into a bit of a funk ever since. So I'm going to go for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then see how I am. Because it has been on my mind a bit. But yeah, it's just... I mean, I'm fine. Physically, I'm, fine, but it's bad news regarding the family. Oh well. Right, so before we were working on the battle results screen, namely the beat trackers, and showing the progress of them. We managed to get as far as this. Instead of showing and passing in nothing, we're passing the item data of the items gained and the once defeat progress gain, and so far this items gained is null, or rather the items obtained parent is null. So we do need to put in a UI items obtained on there, setting each item. I don't think we'll be obtaining more than 9 different items. So, oops. No, yeah. Should be working on prefab directly, but some of this progress list. Okay, let's try this now. Still getting no weapons. It's actually settings. UI feed progress list populate, which is this. So this throws a not implemented exception, but for now I'm just going to have it do nothing. Just so I know what I'm working with. To enable the game object itself, or just the canvas. This one is the canvas. Or maybe not. Okay, there we go. So this obtained here is... I probably wanted to say nothing here, but... This is going to be a bit more, what's the word? Difficult. I want it to be animated so that it calculates how far you are to the current progress marker. And then how far you are, and then your progress. And then it sets the progress there, and yeah, then this green thing swallows up the yellow thing, and if it goes past this marker here, it should say, "Oh, mote obtained," or "All motes obtained." And if you've already obtained all motes, then we're not really worried about it, so it just won't show. But let's do the easiest thing now, which is just show nothing in the thing, which is just a special case we need to handle. If items to show dot length is equal to 0, if items, if I is equal to 0, set its game object to true. Don't think this will be necessary, but oh well. And then show nothing. Show null item. Otherwise, set that false. And create this item here. Item icon dots color equals new color, which is just going to be transparent. Item name dot text equals nothing. Item enhance level dot text equals blank string, and item quantity dot text also equals blank string. There we go. Those are all taking nothing. Okay. Then we go to the actual trackers, which is going to be to defeat progress. Yay. And no. So we have a monster address, we have a progress gain defeat index. So bar defeat, bar save manager equals save game manager dot instance. Defeat progress. Monster address. Something tells me that the monster defeat progress game could actually be initialized at battle start. Initial progress equals save manager dot beats equals that. Beats progress dot beat index. Currently, for each feat that we do, we're loading the feats in there. So essentially, loading the same thing like multiple times within the same frame. I don't need to tell you what that'll mean for performance. Initialize initial feat progress in so we don't have to load it multiple times per load the same object. Multiple times. Next milestone. This should also yeah, all of this should be in progress game. My widgets aren't. Oh, the widgets have buggered up. Hang on, let me fix this. Do everything. Okay, that should fix it. Progress gain dot next item. If initial progress plus progress gain dot progress gain is greater than or equal to next milestone. Yeah, these need to be put into the tracker. But that's alright, we can do that. Sort of slider. Now this is a filled image, but of course then total progress performance. This. Take this out. Else. Gauge max, fill gauge max. Total progress for next milestone. And then go back to here. And look at this side so lights. It's an image, though. Just the square, and that would be to slice it, fill it. Progress would be it'll be emerging left horizontal. And then we have the gain progress to be the same. However, it's setting it to be bad. Set it to horizontal. Like that, and then the animation will go. using Unity Engine's UI. Gained progress equals dot fill amount equals 1. Initial progress dot fill amount equals, what's this to a float? Initial progress. Divided by total gauge max. I don't think I need to cast them both to floats, but it won't hurt us if we do. Then we also need to position this. I'm going to call this milestone marker. Now the way we position this is it's got to be the background's width. Whoa! No, I don't want to. Oh, for God's sakes. Okay, layouts. Default. That's better. Okay, so background does have a size, I think. And the milestone marker, that needs like a position. I'm going to give this to 1, 1. That will let us set the anchor positioning code to 0. Although it would be nice to. So what it is. Okay, we'll set it as a const. It's const. It's milestone marker. Dip. Pos y equals -12. So then also private rect transform milestone marker. And then also transformed private transform milestone marker dot anchor position equals note next milestone divided by total progress. Sorry, no, fill gauge max. I mean, it will be total progress, but yeah. And this will be new vector 2. So this is our ratio. So we need to multiply it by background dot rect dot width multiplied by that. It's a bit messy, but it'll do for now. It's gained progress. So if the total progress is not greater than the next milestone, gained progress dot fill amount equals this. And just get rid of this. Just interested in the ratio. This is the next milestone. This will be the total progress. And the initial progress will be the same. Milestone markers anchor position equals new vector 2 background dot rect dot width milestone marker plus y. Should set it up right. So that'll be how it looks at the start, and then oh yeah, the paint objective text. Text equals progress gain dot neat objective string. Because then, yeah, we'll store that in the tracker, and then the previous feat progress will be pasted into this struct here. Well, not pasted, but passed into. Milestone marker. No, not mode obtain text. Text equals. Progress gain dot next note. Localizing this is going to be a right pain in the arse. That's a problem for future me. Strength modes obtained, primary modes obtained, max HP, health modes obtained, energy modes obtained, that sort of thing. And then modes obtained text dot text equals, because we haven't been in the order of anything. But what if you get 2 motes in one battle? What then? Oh. If you get 2 motes awarded in one battle, then... Oh, fuck. I'm gonna have to pass in motes already awarded. Int feats. No. Motes already obtained. Progress game. Dot. Motes awarded. Motes already obtained. This struct is very short-lived, so we can afford to expand it a bit. I think. Right, let's add these into this. So public string array notes awarded. Public string feat objective string. Public integer array progress milestones. But no, the motes already obtained is the... Oh! So, the next milestone would be a milestone in a single objective, a single feat. However, the motes are awarded across all feats on monsters, so we can't do that. Next milestone. Populating this is going to be a nightmare. Right. Notes awarded equals tracker dot notes awarded. Feat objective string equals tracker dot feat objective string. Next milestone equals tracker dot next milestone. Which means we need to populate this for all of the different types and... Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rewrite this whole thing. Sort of. past this to a enemy defeated tracker. Skill slot feat index. Actually, no, monster address is just going to stay the same thing here. Tracker. Monster address equals monster address. Tracker dot feat index equals feat index. Tracker dot awarded. I need to get them from the save game manager. Get notes awarded. Strings. Monster address. Tracker. Oh, feat objective string. Because we need to get the monster data as well. This is instantiate monster tracker, so this will be done on battle start, so not too bad because we can. I want to say hide it behind a loading screen, but that's not really the case. My logic is, if it takes about a second to generate a 50 by 50 thing, then load it. But that's just generating stuff on disk, on in memory, accessing a disk. Oh well, we can time this. Save manager dot get. There's gotta be a way to. Save manager dot get. No, it's. No, monster tracker. So we want to get the monster data here. So we only need to load it once. Because we just have the feat progresses, not the feat set. No, I think we need to load the monster feat set. Which we do have. So it's just feat set.monster name. No, it'll be past this get feet here, which is monster feet. Which means it should probably be a class monster feet data. Maybe a string second name, I don't know. Monster feet dot x string because yeah, we have to load the. No, if we're accessing the same game, then it's fine. Oh no, get it working and then get it optimized. Monster taking damage. This will be a skill name or an item name. It just saves us from having to load the thing again. Defeat.get objective string tracker of the next milestone. Influence monster feet dots. Where's the initial? We don't have the initial. Oh. Okay. It's just accessing the loaded save file to get the current progress. So if we just, yeah, I don't think we'll need to do a read operation on disk for that. Oh, the X files thing. Because it's probably going to. Yeah. Probably going to trigger a copyright. Notes awarded. Just generate properties from the control dot menu. String? What's an integer array? Hey Wiley, long time no see. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to be streaming for a long time today because some news I've gotten put me in a pretty bad mood. Well, I say bad mood, it's a bit depressing, but yeah, I mean, physically I'm fine. But yeah, news taking a bit of a while to process mentally, so yeah, it is what it is, unfortunately. So I'll probably have I caught a cold? No, I haven't. No, I've just got the sneezing egg. Basically, a relative of mine has been given weeks, quote, given weeks to live. A couple lymphomas he has, and of course he's a bit too old for the actual chemotherapy that treating it will require, so unfortunately I've got to spend as much time with him as I can. So I probably won't be streaming, as often in the next few weeks. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah, these things happen. The BGM is overpowering. Okay. Yeah, I got a lot of conflicting reports about the BGM. Okay, how about now? Yeah, I'd rather have the BGM be a bit too quiet than too loud. Or is it actually? Yeah. I don't know why the microphone's not picking it up as loud as it usually does. This mic's a piece of crap. Sounds okay. Okay, thanks. Microphone's a piece of rubbish anyway, so I need to replace it. Right, so my voice is a little low right now. Oh, okay. Is there anything I can do to boost that? Press a limiter. Output gain. How about that? If I... Okay, I've turned up the output gain a bit, and I've also hit the thing. Oh, what is it? Either I'm not very good or it's the microphone. Yeah, this microphone's been giving me trouble for the past few weeks, so it might just be. It might be packing it in. Anyways, getting notes awarded strings. So currently, I'm working on the character progression system. So instead of gaining experience like you usually would in an RPG, yeah, okay. I thought that there was a problem with this, but there isn't. Instead of gaining experience and leveling up like you normally would with an RPG, you instead have to do these. Oh, hi, Happy Vainglory. Yeah, that's about the same as last time being here. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to. What is it? You know the Pokédex from Pokemon Legends Arceus, where you have to fulfill a certain amount of tasks, and those tasks fill up the Pokédex entry. It's like that, except instead of filling up a Dex entry, you gain motes that increase your stats. So it's a lot more like Chrono Cross than your traditional JRPG. Yeah. So yeah, you can see here the task list. So yeah, you can see defeat Lamias. Basically, if I put this in the open on here, if I put the gain. So this will be the amount gained. This will be the initial progress, and then it'll go. And then if it goes past here, it'll say strength mote obtained, and then the party's strength goes up for a touch. That's fine, Vane. Like I said, I've got a fair bit of free time. Anyways, let's go back. So get motes awarded string. So we need to go into the saved game, which is this thing here. Monster feed progress has the monster's address and the integer progress as well. So there's the progress as well, but we need to get it out of the monster feed set. So it's not here that we get it from. Which means go back to where we were. think you're right, Wiley. I think I might have got a gold. Motes awarded. Save 100 gets motes awarded on here. So instead of save manager, it's going to be from. Yeah, we're probably going to have to pass this in. No, it'd be monster feet. No, monster. They're given by monster, so we'll have to pass this in here. String array. Motes awarded. And then we'll pass it in for the feat sets. Yeah, motes awarded. Monster feat get objective string. We can generate this. No problem from Gameverse. Yeah, I've got Lemsips and other forms of paracetamol and ibuprofen in my kitchen cabinet, so yeah, I'll probably take one of those before I go to bed tonight. Okay, get objective string. So we have the feat type, we have the extra parameter and the extra string, but we don't have the monster's name. In Steam, there's still a lot of yeah, there are a lot of Holo games on Steam. Holo Indie, they're stepping up their. Oh, what's this? I hope I don't get sick. The curse is real. It is. Yeah. But yeah, Holo Indie have they've accepted a lot of submissions. Really, I'm just kicking myself that I didn't submit one of my games for it. But oh well. I think I've got enough on my plate as it is, to be honest. So we need the monster name here. So string monster name. And this will just be a switch on the feat type. Yeah, but then I'd have to. I know I still can, but then I'd have to get it up into one of my games up into a state that's ready for a Steam release, and for that I'll have 3 games working on my plate, and yeah, I'll have 3 games on my plate, and I don't think this game here. It's not in a state that's ready for actual submission, because from what I understand, Holo Indie are looking for either stuff from known studios that are working on, which is what we're working on, or they're working for stuff that's near completed. And this, well, I've got the dungeon sorted. Well, mostly, but I still need to do the battle system, and still need to do the cutscenes. I still need to do the staging area and everything. So, yeah, I will submit this to Holo Indie, but in a but it'll have to be several months down the line. Will I open it for a demo? Yes, I do want to get a playtestable version out by the summer, and by playtestable I mean alpha. So it'll have, it'll have a battle system and a few ones, and then you'll be fine after we drop that. We'll rep you super hard, no worries. That's great. Thanks for the confidence. Right, it's total defeated. Return. Want to return defeat. defeat monster name. So this will be defeat monster name plural. Yeah. To do no. Singular or plural. Defeat Lamia, defeat Lamias. Which reminds me, I do need to add the monster's plural form to its lore data. Return. Defeat. Extra parameter. Or more. Monster name in a single battle. Return witness. Witness them using a skill. Witness monster name using extra string. You can tell by the name I've used this generic extra string and extra parameters, but this thing is gone way beyond spaghetti code. Held together by duct tape and the will of the Almighty. Total damage dealt. Deal. Deal damage to monster name. Ah, good spot, thank you. Extra parameter is equal to -1, then deal damage to monster name, otherwise return deal, and then we cast this to a damage type. So that'll be fire, water, whatever. Damage to monster name. Return. Defeat monster name in a single hit. Done it again. Is a single hit. Return. Take extra parameter damage from monster name. Default throw new argument no, not an argument exception. Invalid operation exception. Unexpected type. Right, so go back to the monster feet tracker, that's fine. The get section string should be monster name. Hmm. Set dot monster name. No, we don't have that. Now I can put the monster name plural there and generate property and if that, yeah, that's good. Then put monster name here. Then monster finger. Monsters. Well, it's just milestones. Okay. That's fine, we can just rename this. Rename that to progress milestones. There we go, and that should. Oh yeah, and at the end, return the tracker. So that's the tracker instantiated, now we need to put this in. We do need to get the monster's name from the address. No, wait, put it from here. Progress of battlefield. Oh. Huh? Monster address, monster name, beat index, motes awarded. Ah. Beat set, not get motes awarded. String. Mote type's an enum, so we have to convert the enum to string here. Private string get mote string. Mote type mote. Yeah, I was going to do the new game sequence today, and then I realised, oh wait, this isn't done. Switch on mote. Return primary stat. Return secondary stat. BS has that big of an autocomplete for switches? I think it does, yeah. I'm not sure if it's out the box or if it's an IntelliSense thing, but yeah, I think you just put switch in, and I think you have to tap tab twice. And if you put something that's an enum, hit enter twice and it puts all the enum values in automatically. I think it comes with BS by default. The only add-on I have here is CodeMade, which you press M and then space, and it sets everything neatly formatted for you. So I don't think it's that. Energy modes, strength. dexterity. Wait, I can just copy paste this. Constitution, intelligence, focus, willpower, agility, vault, below, argument exception. Unexpected note type. Then here we can just return notes awarded dot select x into get note string x. To array, and there we go. I don't think this time's end defeated in single battle. Oh no, I haven't implemented that yet, that's why it's commented out. Does this compile? It doesn't. Okay, initial program, no. Milestone index equals 0. No, wait. Next milestone index. For design feats. No, we don't have the feats milestones. Wait, yes we do. Do we? Yeah, put them in here. If initial progress is less than progress screen dot progress milestones I, then break out the loop. Otherwise, next milestone index plus plus, and then it's just milestone equals this. So if we've got all the milestones sorted for that particular feat, then this progress gain isn't created, so this next milestone won't be my -1. No, it should be above 0. Right. Okay, it's showing it, but I think actually that commented Deep progress says populate, and yeah, we still haven't come. Okay. Right, we need to pool. They're pooled, so we need to do a little bit more. Path max I equals max items dot length progress length for if I is less than greater than or equal to items dot length. Create new item. Yeah, nice to see you, Vane. Glad you found me. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Create new VIP program. Yeah, object. Okay, if and then if I is greater than or equal to progress gain dot length, items I dot game object. Oops. Game object dot set active false. No, anything else. Items I dot game object dot set active true. Items I dot populate. If progress gain I. No, I thought I'd already create the populate method. Oh no, we need to give it the motes already obtained. Okay. Int motes already obtained. This populate should actually return a bool then. If this. Then it's already attained plus plus. That should handle the case of let's say dealing n thousand ice damage to Lamia and defeating n Lamias in a if I hit those 2 feats in the same battle, a milestone, that should say, okay, strength modes awarded for one and dexterity modes awarded for the other. So we just need to make this return a bool. Return true. Return false. At the end of a battle. Progress gain is amount of motes already awarded for this monster. Returns true if a milestone has been reached, false if not. And then, yeah, if that returns true, then it's released. That's good. Okay, then there's no way to get the motes already obtained out from here. I think actually the motes already obtained needs to be on this. Ah, but then if I... I've buggered this up. No. Huh. Do I have... Dictionary, string, int, Milestones hit. This is the edge case. 90%, something like 80. Is it the 80-20 rule or is it the 90-10 rule? Anyway, something like 80% of your code is going to handle 20% of the cases, and this is one of them. There's no underscore here, this is a local variable. Okay, if that note's already obtained though, this is going to be different for each monster. So we can't have this. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board on this one. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board here. Okay, so this is fine. But we need to get the motes awarded, which is this milestones hit here. So if milestones hit contains key. What consoles do I have right now? I have a Switch, a 3DS, a PS4, and in my loft I have an Xbox 360 and a PS2. So yeah, I don't have anything current gen. Gain equals progress gain I dot monster address. No, progress gain I. Gain dot monster address. Motes awarded. No, intimates awarded. Something like that. Yeah, but like I said, most of them are up in the loft, so yeah, I'm gonna have to climb a bloody ladder and then plunk them all in. I've only got the PS4 set up, and sorry, the PS4 and the Switch set up. Looks like I have a good life, man. To be fair, most of them I had when I was a kid, with the exception of the PS4 and the Switch. And even then, you know, that was back when I was at uni and I actually did have disposable income. I mean, I have enough saved up, we'll say, but I don't know if I already told you this, but I did lose my job about a year and a half ago, and getting one has been a pain and a half since. I think I've sent applications to, well, I've lost count of how many companies, and I think I've only had one interview. The only other people who get back to me are scams, so yeah, I mean, obviously there but for the grace of God, but I have had better lives than a fair few amount of people, but at the same time, I do think there's room for improvement. But oh well. There's me again, telling everyone information about that could be used to identify me. But well, I've only got what, 4 people watching, so. Yeah, but I mean, look on the bright side. You know, if I had a job, I probably wouldn't have the time to stream. So, you know, swings and roundabouts, I reckon. But yeah, my savings will probably last me about 3 years. If I really stretched it out, I probably could be able to get 4 out of it, but after that, it's a bit bleak. If it does contain, then so I need to declare this integer motes awarded. Motes awarded equals milestones hit. Gained that monster address. This is a global scope variable, so it should have. No, it shouldn't. I'm an idiot. If it doesn't have it, then we need to get it. So, modes awarded equals save manager. Save manager equals save game manager. Oops. Instance. Save manager get component. No. Get feet. Get feet motes obtained. Award obtained. Do I want to use obtained or do I want to use awarded? Because if I switch between the two of them, it's just going to confuse future me. If it's modes obtained, game dot monster address game dot beat index. Milestones hit dot add game monster address game feat index. No, it's not that. It's modes awarded. Milestones hit in dot monster address plus, oops, these are square brackets, plus and then we pop in modes awarded here. Which means we need to make another thing. Yeah, I am still feeling a bit down, so I just want to get this thing working and then we'll leave it for today. So we are getting feet modes obtained, so turn loaded game dot get feet Loads obtained. Address feed index. Generate this method. Because this save game manager, all it is just a facade for the. Well, it's not even that. It's just a interface between the currently loaded game and the loaded save file and the game itself. What am I doing with a recursive call? I'm being an idiot. Monster Feet Progress has an address of progress, so... Public. No. So we need to get the monster feet set, but then this monster feet sets have been given in a... Okay. Load up. Load asset async monster feet set monster address no being monster feats. Then await load up dot task if load up dot status equals succeeded. If the else debug log error no throw new IO exception. Well, technically we're loading from the asset database, not the actual thing, so it's not technically an IO, but whatever. Actually, yeah, we'll just have it invalid operation exception. That's generally the catch-all thing. Load up. No, it's not. It's failed loading. Monster address. Asset. And yeah, monster motes obtained. It's not feat motes, it's monster motes, so we don't need the feat index. And this returns a unique task of type int. Turn load up dot result. No. Feat set equals load up dot result. This must defeat progress then. Feat progress equals. Oops. Feat progress. There's got to be another way to put this into the save file, rather than all this. Oh. Yeah, it's probably going to be better if I just do this. And then just handle the motes awarded into the same thing when we're saving the monster feat progress. That's probably going to be a better way of doing it. Instead of having to do all this task thing, so instead of all this asynchronous threading malarkey. Throw new argument exception. Feat progress for monster address not found. So now I have to add what, 32 bits for every monster that there exists in the game, so that's what, 4 bytes. Yes. If I have if I have 200 monsters in the game, that's not even a kilobyte, so yeah, it's fine. If I wanted to be really anal, I'd just make this a byte, but we don't have to. It'd be that much. He says as his sins add up. Because you're not going to get more than 255 motes out of a single monster. That'd be insane. Although, nah. The milestones are set, so I could make it so that the milestones are on a curve, and you just keep getting monsters being run up. No, that'd be the data is for what? No. The not the data itself. The where the hell was I? Not including UI related. No. What I meant is on disk. So if I can find the place where I was right. What I meant to say was that adding this field here, because this struct is serializable, this gets saved on disk. So the address is a string, which, the very nature of strings mean that their size is relative, but it's just going to be something like Lamia or Kitobo Pass or Minotaur or something like that. It's just going to be one word, so it's not going to be that big. progress is it's going to be 32 bits, so 4 bytes multiplied by the amount of feats that there are. So I don't think there's going to be more than 5 feats for each monster. Hell, might even be less than 3 or 4. So we'll call it what, 20 bytes minimum. This thing itself is going to be another 4 bytes. It's just the amount of modes awarded. So instead of doing all this access stuff from disk malarkey, not from disk, from the getting all the addressable assets and load that from the game and then load it in and then get rid of it. Instead, we can have another 4 bytes onto this monster feat progress, 4 bytes per monster. And yeah, that's almost nothing. So yeah, what I'm talking about data, I'm talking about save data. So if it was like, you know, on PS2, where each memory card is what, 8 megabytes, then yeah, there would be an argument to do, you know, to store as little information as possible and access everything from the disk. However, we're not in the PS2 era, so you know, 32 bits, 4 bytes per monster. Even if we do have 200 monsters, you know, that's what, 800 bytes. So it's nothing. So yeah, that's what I meant. That is one of the biggest weaknesses of mine. I always get really into the micro optimization weeds when I really shouldn't. It's just, you know, a waste of time. So we don't need the feat index on there. That's some deep game for the thing like that. It's just trade-offs, really. It's just trade-offs, really. And, you know, if I was in Unreal Engine and C++ and we're talking about stuff, you know, fiddling about with memory, then yeah, that would be very deep. But deep game development in a garbage collected language like C#, yeah, that's it's all relative, is what I'm trying to say. Right, enemy defeated progress mode is on there. So this says milestones key contains key gain.monster address. Milestone key value cannot be null, but it's not null, it's been initialized here. Unless the gained monster address is null, which is probably the case. Gained progress equals... No, that's fine. Gain progress is there, and then we initialize the gain progress on here, so that's fine. And this is the end time where I actually access the game progress ring is here, where I initialize it even. So either the tracker's monster address isn't being given, or the prefab's monster address, which is... I think prefabs know there's scriptable objects. Combat feats, Lania. The modes awarded isn't anything. But yeah, might as well give them something. So give them a primary one. Good. Boom. Bang. 5 is a fair bit. These feats here, though, Hmm. Defeated 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Total damage dealt. Well, the lamias have, what, 50 health? So for now it'll be 120. Yeah, just have it go up linearly for the time being. Actually, no. I say go up linearly and then I completely contradict myself. Life of a game dev. Right. Progress gain is not. Oh, no, I know what's it. UI feat progress, this item, this thing, the items aren't being initialized. That's fine. Void. Yeah, to do, create new UI feat progress object. Okay. Serialize field. Private. UI feat progress item. Item prefab. Serialize field. No. Void start. Items equals get components in children. UI feat progress item. That'll do for now, and then temp equals items. Yeah, instead of this, if items.length is less than progress screen.length, TMP equals new UI feed progress item. Progress screen.length. Items.copy2. Temp is offset 0. Offset? No, yeah, index. Then for intis items dots. Not items. Yes, items. No, there. tmp.length. And this starts with items.length. Items I equals progress gain I minus items.length. And I think the compiler does all that thing for me, so no, it's I don't even need to, I'm being an idiot, instantiate of type UI feat progress item. Item prefab, comma, transform parent. And that gets put to the end of the sibling list anyway, so that's fine. And then finally, items equals TNP. So this, there we go. So yeah, we create everything that we need to in the new thing. Like I said, we already have 5 feat progress items, so I don't think we're going to be doing 5 feats at the same in one battle. That's going to be like 0.001% of cases, but you know, these cases 0.001 is greater than 0, so you gotta have code to handle it. Right. Let's see if this runs now. Feat progress list, so the item prefab will be feat progress item. Select this in here. Feat progress item, there we go. And so debug blunt, so we'll only have one showing. Oh. Okay. Gain monster address cannot be null. Is it all of them, or is it just one? Anyway, we're gonna have to get the debugger. Throw it out. Come on. Unity's not responding. Okay, fine. We'll stop debugging here and then on there, and oh, it's just such a pain. Pain in the arsehole. What's Twitter back up? Looks like it. Okay, so hopefully we'll get this one. There we go! Right, now we have to attach this to Unity. Right, sort this out. Debug water. I don't have a water animation, so put them on there. Still enough. No reference except. Why is this? The hell? Oh, this is... kidding me? Another bug that I have to fix out. Okay, Pierce. Progress gain is progress gain of 2, which is not right because there should only be 1, and yeah, they're all completely null. That results panel.show. Battleend.invoke, and that invokes on there, so on Battleend will go onto here and results panel show items gain feat progress. Feat progress equals feat tracker.gain progress, which is 2 nulls. Okay. Feat tracker.on, so this has been called. Okay, fine. Okay, battle result is player victory. So this should go into here. Trackers are 2 of them. Total defeated and total damage dealt. Yes, that's right. Bar tracker equals trackers I. Yep. If tracker total progress is... Oh, hang on. Trackers... Initial progress 0, total progress 0. That should not... That's not right. That's not right. It should... The Lamy's been defeated, so it should be 1. Pain, Peko... Enemy defeated tracker. This should be stated enemy defeated progress made. So that's progress made .invoke 1. Right. And then on start it with this on there, then the progress made gets set on progress made. Debug.log feat objective string progressed by arc 0. Okay. Calm down. Total progress plus equals amount. Okay, let's see what this thing does. What the ever-loving frick is going on now? Defeat progressed by 1. Water damage 2 progressed by 100. And then there's the null reference exception. So what the... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Debug.log battle ending. Okay, so the trackers are fine. No. No, the battle ending is... Oh. Oh, God. Okay, so it's a race condition. The battle is ending before the tracker is doing its thing. So yeah, the battle is ending before the entity alive state is changing. Now, this this is going to, yeah, this is going to be okay, so the alive state changes on the listener, and then so okay, private I enumerator. Battle end coroutine. Oops. Battle result. Result. Yield. Return. New. Wait for seconds. Then battle end. Invoke. No, it's not, it's just results. Okay, start coroutine. Battle end coroutine. by a victory. Once we get the victory. Okay. Well, instead of streaming 90 minutes, I've already gone for about 2 hours and change. That's a minor W. Okay, let's see this. So if we delay the end of the battle by half a second, that should give enough time for everything, all the trackers to get all their stuff in order. And now I've introduced a new bug because this few things showing. Ah, fuck. And we're back to where we were. Okay, so defeat progress by 1 and then the battle's ending. So now I've just introduced another bug and this thing's showing up. I thought I had it. Public bull battle ending. Yeah, private set. This will be a single turnip type battle end checker because there's only going to be one battle going on. Protected, no. Override. Protected, override, void init. There we go. That's not going to solve the action prompt showing up, but it will let me solve it in the future. But I still get a null reference though. Object. Oh no, this is something else. Okay. Repeat objective text because I haven't set these. Ah, of course. I'm a dumbass. Repeat objective text equals eat. Yeah. Here we go. Gained progress. Progress. Background, milestone marker, note update, and then I need to update this text here. That's probably something I can do off stream tomorrow. Nope, still no referencing. Oh. Okay, so initializing the tracker's fine. Okay, progress gain is defeat Lamia, yes, and that's null. Okay, that's fine. Items is null. Why is items null? It should have been initialized here. Oh. Oh, actually, I think I know what it is. Okay, this isn't very performant, but I can just do that. And that just makes the bug go away. I think it's because the battle results game object is disabled, so that start thing isn't being called. So instead we have to populate the items based on the thing, which we can do. It's not too bad. Because there should be a little bit of a pause. I want to introduce a bit of a pause before, because all this does happen as soon as the last enemy's HP hits 0. So we still need to play the fade out animation. We still need to have a little bit of a pause before the results screen goes, so we could get away with this. I reckon we can, anyways. Okay. You know what? Okay, so we do need to get the monster's name from the thing, but that can be done. So yeah, the data monster name plural. I will do that, but then the initial is null, which is, yeah, that's supposed to be it, and then we'll have this initial thing here, this initial thing here, this initial thing here, and then the okay. How much time have I got? I've been streaming for 2 hours 20 minutes. Yeah, go on then, all. I am close, so might as well do it. Okay, scriptable objects, monsters. No. No, these are small groups. So where's the monster data? There is a monster feats name here, and then the name here and here is. It's an entity info, which is an enemy. Oh man, there's no enemy data. Oh, I got this mixed up with the thing I was doing, the other game that I was doing, Happy Game Glory. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I did this thing under the assumption that I'd already implemented something that I hadn't implemented. Oh, this is so painful. Okay. Yeah, I got this game and the other game must have been completely mixed up. Yeah, okay. Right, I don't have enough time to do this, but I'll get started at the very least. Monsters, okay, so if we put in a scriptable object script, monster data, and then it's just entity, and then yeah, on entity info, it's have it on here. So I'll probably need some. I'll probably need to make this an abstract class and have player entity info and monster entity info as well. I'm so deep in everything. I'm too deep, man. I'm too deep. Okay, so this will... Actually, no. I'm only on 2 projects right now? Yeah, yeah, I'm actively handling 2 projects. I've got like about 5 more on the back burner that I'm not, you know, actively developing. So, yeah. Right, action list sprite don't need because we don't have an action list anymore. Okay, and then monster data we have. I think it's monsters. Monster data. But yeah, those non-active projects I haven't touched them in several months, so they're most likely going to be, you know, permanently mothballed. Okay. Monsters, monster data. So this monster data would need a serialized field, public, string, entity name singular, get private set, entity name plural. Sprite, battle sprite. Imagine a random logic from the other project firing and I have no clue. No, the projects are in separate folders, so hopefully that won't happen. Right. No. One or something. Should I have the entity feed set as well? Public string labor text. Sorry, codex description. Right. Right. Then description objects. We should probably have the combat feats. Monster data. Should probably have it in monsters as well then. Plonk all these in there. Okay, so combat feats will be monster feats, but then this address will be monster data. Okay, I'll create one for later just to test it works. Lamia's battle sprite. No. Oh, and this will be a text area. A half woman, half snake monster found on the upper levels of the labyrinth. Its tail tastes like chicken. Yeah, I need to get a writer in here to get some better descriptions on there. Instead of just one Pokédex entry. Probably have a running joke that Regis is like Laios from Dungeon Meshi, and he keeps commenting on how the monsters what the monsters taste like. Oh dear. Okay, this has been monster data, lamia.asset, and that's yeah, that'll leave that addressable off. Okay, lamia. Right, on to here. Then we need to go back to battle entity monster. Entity info off, and we'll need a new script. BITY info. Go into here. Monster entity info. And also player entity info. Wait for this to catch up. Right, entity info is now an abstract class. This is no longer serialized. Abstract. And we don't need setters here. So yeah, we'll keep that one. That's player entity info. We'll have the name and sprite serialized, whereas the monster entity info will just have the data serialized, and go from there. So serialize private string entity, no, name, private sprite, battle sprite. Implements abstract class. Turn name. Right. Oh yeah, the next Phase Connect game jam, that's happening the 28th of March. So, I'll be, I want to get a run back, because the game that I submitted last jam was last place because it was the only one that wasn't playable on browser. So, yeah, I gotta get my pride back for that. So, yeah, I think I'll probably make that Sheena's Weavery game, but so the theme of it is to go back to something you've already done and either finish it or build upon it, and I think I'm probably going to build upon it by remaking the whole thing in Unity, which I suppose is building on it if you're porting it to a different platform. I don't know if that counts. I might have to check with the devs. Recycling a game? Yeah, I mean, you could call it that. But it's not, well, that's the thing though, it's because a lot of the entries into the Phase Jam are incomplete, or they weren't able to be put into a playable state by the time the jam ended. So this jam is to give people the opportunity to finish them. Monster data dot name entity name name singular. Battle sprite is data dot battle sprite. It's fine. It's battle entity monster. Here we go. Instead of that, it will be monster entity info. And then in Lamia, data would be the Lamia's monster data, which means that battle entity player now has a player entity info. Oh. You're trying to say a prefab that contains script entity info that... Oh, it's this. I just need to remove that. It's fine. Save that. That's all well and good. I'm supposed to have... Yeah, they're littered all over the place. It is a bit sad, but yeah, that's kind of the reality of the games industry. Maybe do just try to remember Concord. Yeah. Yeah, some games are better off left unreleased. Right, that's that all sorted. Except now I need to place them. I need to do the same for the actual non-debug thing, but that's probably something for future me to see if this works. Oh, right, we've got something else. Value cannot be null. Ah, of course. If progress gain I dot monster address string dot is null or white space. Hi Hilly. I'm just finishing up, unfortunately, but yeah, I've had a very topsy-turvy stream, a lot of ups and downs. Eventually I realised that I was making the assumption that something that I thought I'd implemented for this game I'd actually implemented for the other game. So I kind of had to quickly throw something together, and it's just, oh. Just because that's how I'm getting used to daylight savings. No, British summertime, daylight savings, whatever you want to call it, that doesn't start for another few weeks over here, so... Make progress? Yeah, by objective measures, I have made progress, but... it's not exactly what I'd call my best work, is what I'd say. Anyways, if it's another white space, then just continue. Don't want to add another one. Well, at least you got that down. Right, no, actually. I can just put this into here. If that or this. There we go. That should... He's got that down. Yeah, so these are being... Well, they were populated, but then I realised that there's a bunch of compiler errors, so... Make it work, make it good later, yep. Yeah, I got a load of stuff that I was agonising over, I was agonising over 4 bytes in the save file. Well, 4 bytes per monster in the save file. Then I realised, wait, if I have 200 monsters, that's less than a kilobyte, so... Yeah, that's fine. There's also this bug where the thing's shown up here. So, also, this should say defeat lamias, but doesn't show that for some reason. But yeah, this is 1/5 of the progress. Obtained nothing, that's good. So yeah. Unfortunately, if I can stream a bit more, I'm probably going to catch a... Well, I think I've already caught a cold, but if I keep streaming, it's going to make it worse, because it's beginning to get a bit cold. So, I'll leave it there. My throat is beginning to go. So, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, Road Garden World. I'll see you soon. Probably Wednesday. Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Fingers crossed. Wednesday. At 0 point. Knock on wood, Wednesday. Either way, ta-ra for now.